One of the other ways we can speed up our computers is through speeding up the process of boot or starting. If you're able to go for coffee and come back later and your computer may not be booted, that means your startup process is really, really slow. And so there are ways we can fix that. And one of them is through making some changes in something called msconfig. And what that is it controls what starts up with your computer. Software manufacturers like to have things start with your computer. So they don't want you to have to turn them on manually. So Adobe Reader is one of them. Microsoft Office is a common culprit. So are things like your digital camera and your printer and all of this other jazz. They're going to want to start with your computer. So what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to tell those programs not to do that. You can simply go program to program and look in the preferences or the options for each individual program and turn them off that way, but there's other ways to do it, and I'm going to show you a shortcut right now. So what I want you to do is go to your Start menu, and at the bottom in the search bar, I want you to type the word Run, R-U-N, and then click on it because it's just going to come up here at the top. It says Programs. And then in the box where it says Open, you're just going to type msconfig, M-S-C-O-N-F-I-G, msconfig, and click OK. Now you're going to get a new box, your system configuration box. What I want you to do with this is check off Selective Startup, leave everything alone. So what you're going to see, and I'm going to go back through it here just to show you, Run, click the button, msconfig, and click OK. You're going to do Selective Startup, and you're going to go here. So what you would see on most computers is a list of software that's going to start with your computer. So you're going to see things in here like Adobe Acrobat Reader. You're going to see Microsoft Office programs in here. You're going to see all kinds of things in here. You can go ahead and click on them, and you're going to uncheck them, and you're going to disable them as they come up in the list. Now, I need you to be careful of this. Only uncheck things that you're familiar with, that you know what they are. Don't start unchecking everything in the list and just blindly say, nothing's going to start with my computer, because your computer may not start. So what you want to do is look for programs that you recognize, things that you're familiar with, and uncheck those and leave the rest alone. And then once you're done with it, you click Apply, you click OK, and you'll have to restart your computer. But once you do that, it'll be set up for you. And that's how you use msconfig.